It's time to harvest some cucumbers. Yes, look at that big one there. Oh boy. Let's see. I see. Oh Lord. Look at that one right there. Oh, look at over there. Okay, it's time to get in here and get some cucumbers. Come on, let me harvest these cucumbers. Oh, look at that one. That's my first cucumber of the season. Looking beautiful. Yes, yes, you are. Let's see what else we can get out of here. How many more we can harvest today? Still have a lot of blooms on them. A lot more cucumbers are coming. Look at that. Yes, yes. Okay, so far this is what I have. I haven't finished looking through the whole bed yet. Let me see how many more cucumbers I can find in here. Look at here, they're growing up tall here. And went all the way up the trellis I made. Now they're going all the way up to the netting. Okay. Let's see how many more cucumbers I can find in here. Come on, cucumbers, where you at? Where you at? Show yourself. Oh boy. Where you at, cucumbers? Where are you? Oh, I see one. It's a little one. I'll let you grow just a little bit bigger. Okay. See another one right there. Okay, cucumbers. Coming on in. Let's see more. Where are you? Where are you? You're going all up in here with the beans, green beans over here too. Come on, cucumbers. Look at my squash here. Okay, I see you, squash. Got some flowers on you. Okay. Okay, beans. I see all the blooms coming up on you. Look at my beautiful squash right there. Okay, squash, come on. Let's see, I'm gonna look again one more time, but this may be all of my cucumbers that I have harvested for today. Not too bad for the first round. Second round gonna probably be a lot more. It's got a lot of blooms are still on them. And look at the bees. The bees are in here pollinating. Do your job, bee. Come on. Come on, bees. Pollinate the cucumbers. I see you. And get over there and pollinate those squash too. I see you. Okay, not too bad for the first harvest of cucumbers. Looking good. Yes, you are. You're looking good. Can't wait to harvest more cucumbers grown in Big Mama's garden.